Hello everyone! This is how to register using your sponsor replicated link. First, go to your messenger. Sponsor means yung taong nagpakilala sa'yo nitong opportunity. Then click replicated link na sinend niya sa'yo. Once you're in, fill out your valid details. Sponsor username ay hindi na kailangan galawin. Go to your personal details. Put your first name, then middle name, and last name. Next is your email. Make sure na ito ay active at nakaka-receive ng mga emails. Then mobile number, make sure na ito ay active, nakaka-receive ng calls and messages. Next, complete address, city, postcode, region or state. Mamili lang tayo kung saan nabibilang ang ating location or lugar. Next, your account details. Gagawa ka ng sarili mong username na kung saan gagamitin ito once na ikaw ay nag-login. Make sure lang na wala itong space. Same with your password. Make sure na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam nito at madali mong matandaan. Confirm your password, then click continue. Congratulations! Your account has been created. Now, para ma-verify ang iyong email, makakatanggap ka ng verification from VIP International. Go to your Gmail. If wala sa inbox, check nyo rin sa spam email. Click VIP International, then makikita nyo po dito ang inyong login details. For any reasons na makalimutan ninyo ang inyong details, balikan nyo lang dito sa email. Andito ang username, password, and transaction password. Pwede rin tayo dito mag-log in. Put your username, then password, then click login. Congratulations! Welcome to VIP International. You are officially registered. See you on the next video tutorial.